Hi, this is Vijaya and welcome to Vijayas recipes. Today we'll see the difference between brown rice and white rice and also see which rice is healthier for you. Rice is a very popular grain which is consumed by people all around the world. It is a staple food for many people living in Asia. Rice comes in various shapes, sizes and colors, but the two most popular rice are white rice and brown rice. White rice is a commonly consumed rice, whereas brown rice is a widely recognized as a healthier option. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the bran and the germ, whereas white rice is a refined grain that has the bran and the germ removed. This is the reason why brown rice is considered as a healthier option than white rice. Brown rice has more fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It is good for the digestive system. It makes you eat lesser but keeps you fuller for a longer time. Whereas white rice is a source of empty calories and carbs with a very few essential nutrients. Brown rice is high in magnesium and fiber, both of which helps to control blood sugar levels. Research suggests that regular eating of brown rice helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and decrease the risk of type 2 diabetes. High consumption of white rice has been linked to an increase of risk of diabetes. Brown rice contains lignans and plant compounds that helps to protect heart disease. Whole grains like brown rice may also lower LDL or bad cholesterol and increase HDL or good cholesterol. The average glycemic index of brown rice is 50, whereas the glycemic index of white rice is 89. Foods with higher glycemic index spike the sugar levels very fast, whereas food with lower glycemic index like brown rice don't spike your blood sugar levels. In simple words, no matter how much white rice you eat, you still stay nutritionally hungry. The more white rice you eat, the faster you feel hungry. On the other hand, brown rice being nutritionally dense, you feel fuller for a longer time. This also helps in weight loss and lesser hunger pangs. Eating brown rice every day is a healthier and better option than eating white rice. Whole grains like brown rice are known to be more beneficial to health in general, and the abundance of minerals in brown rice can help in keeping your body healthy and fully functional. Brown rice is loaded with powerful antioxidants and it offers protection against free radicals. It protects your cells from oxidation damages and lowers your risk of developing serious health problems including coronary heart diseases and cancer. Brown rice contains loads of selenium, which is good for a healthy heart. Regular consumption of brown rice reduces buildup of plaque in the arteries. This lowers the risk of developing cardiac disorders such as vascular diseases and hypertension. Brown rice is good for your brain and nervous system. It is rich in vitamin B and accelerates the metabolism in the brain. The presence of minerals such as manganese and magnesium makes it good for your brain. What are the adverse effects or side effects of consuming too much brown rice? There is no published study on the adverse effects of consuming brown rice, but the bran of brown rice contains some anti-nutritional compounds such as phytate and small amounts of arsenic. Some pharmacological studies have shown that phytate inhibits iron absorption. Brown rice is safe for almost everyone if you follow a balanced diet. You can eat as much brown rice you want whenever you want. But if you have special medical conditions regarding iron absorption, you are recommended to seek your doctor's advice before taking brown rice as your staple food. So these were some of the differences between brown rice and white rice. Please let us know in the comment section which rice do you think is healthier for us. And I hope you will come back to us by saying brown rice in the comment section. Thank you.